Hello everyone, welcome to Team WS channel. In this short tutorial I'll show you how to fix you are not allowed to download this content at this time error. Now first of all, open Valorant game website. Click on the first link. Now sign in your account or create new account. After that, open another tab and search hide me. So open hide me VPN. Now copy the link of that download page into hide me and change your location from USA to Germany, or you are logging in from Germany, then you change your location to USA. Now you can easily download Valorant, and if this video really helps you, then hit subscribe and like button.